Hello, students. I hope you all are keeping well. Children, today we are going to study question number 7 of exercise 11.2. So, let's see what is the question. Actually, this question is a word problem, and this word problem is based on a special shape that is called a rhombus. Okay, so let's see the question. The question says that the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are in rhombus shape, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters in length. Find the total cost of the Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. What values are given here? First of all, we will see that what is the shape of the tile in this question. The shape of the tile in this question is rhombus. Okay, and what values of rhombus are given? The values of both of the diagonals of rhombus are given, which are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So first of all, we will find out the area of each tile. So for that, we should know that what is the formula of area of a rhombus. That is 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Means if we have the values of both of the diagonals, we can find out the area of rhombus. So by calculating, I got 675 centimeter squares. Now I have to see that how many tiles are there. There are 3000 tiles. Means if there are 3000 tiles, and area of each tile is 675 centimeters square, then what will be the area of the floor? Then area of the floor will be 3000 into 675. When we multiply it, we get this number. This is a very large number, 2025 and 3 times 0 centimeter square. But we need to convert this area into meter square. Why? Because when we have to find out the cost of the polishing the floor, the rate is given per meter square. Right? So per meter square, that is why we need to convert this area of each tile into meter squares. And you know that 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. So when we calculate it, we are getting 202.5 meter square. This is the area of floor. Now we have to find out the cost of polishing the floor. We know that the rate of polishing the floor is rupees 4 per meter square. So we'll multiply the area of the floor by rate given. So after multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 810. That means the cost of polishing the floor at rupees 4 per meter square is 810 rupees. This is our final answer. Children, our next question is question number 8. What this question is about? Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Means this question is talking about a trapezium. Its sides along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the road. Means you know that the trapezium is the shape in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this question is talking about those parallel sides. One parallel side is along road and other parallel side is along river. The question says that the side along road and the side along river. The side along river is twice the side along road. Means this side is double of the side along road. What else is given? If the area of this field, means area of trapezium, is 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter, means these are the parallel side, and if this is the perpendicular distance, means this is the height of the trapezium. This 100 meter is height of the trapezium. Now what values are given here? Here we have the value of area of trapezium, height of trapezium, and relation of side along the road and along river is given. Okay, so let's start the solution now. So first of all, we'll write down, let the side along road be x meter. We are taking this length as x meter and the side along river be 2x meters. Means this side is 2x because it is just double of the side along road. Okay. And the height of trapezium is given 100 meters. Now we will write down the area of trapezium. What is it? That is, area of trapezium is equals to 1 by 2 into h into sum of the parallel sides. And what values are given here? We are substituting the values of area of trapezium, that is 10,500. Then 1 by 2 into height. Height is 50 meters. And sum of parallel sides, that they are x and 2x. And further, when you are solving, you are getting x plus 2x as 3x. And when you are cancelling 100 by 2, you are getting 50. Then this 50 will divide 10,500. Like this, we are getting the value of x 7 meters. And that is the side along road which you are supposed to find in the question. Children, I hope this concept is clear. So kindly practice these two questions. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.